Came to the construction site today and it's flooded for 2 days. We got so much rain for 2 days, so we had to come up with a plan to clean out some water.
We're running some errands. It's gonna be like 2 hours on to clean it all up. If you really want to do it, but let's push all the water out, Sam. Okay?
Yes, as you can see, the first floor is almost done. Yep, tomorrow is Monday. Amish people coming to continue on second floor, and that's gonna be our last week of framing. Once framing is done, we're gonna go to the next chapter, which is plumbing and electric. Boys are working really hard. Good job. Yep, and our dad is upstairs doing the same thing upstairs. Great job, boys.